Hello, and welcome back. Alright, are you ready for this one? Bacon and cheese pull-aparts. So you can buy these at Woolies and Coles and probably a lot of different bakeries and that now. And normally they come in 4 or 6 and they've got a little bit of bacon and cheese on them. It's all dried up on the top and there's your pull-aparts. Well, these are just a little bit different. So what I thought I'd do is a couple of really easy, quick things because the school holidays are upon us and these are really cool for school holidays. Okay, so I have got 2 hamburger rolls, so that's how many I'm going to make today because I've got 2. So I've got 6 slices of bacon tops, it's probably a couple too many, but I've got them anyway. Small onion, some tomato paste, barbecue sauce. Now I've got a little bit of pizza cheese and a little bit of tasty grated cheddar. So I'm just going to use those, but you can use anything you want. So the first thing we do is preheat our ovens at 200 degrees Celsius. Then we want to chop up our bacon and onion. Now we're going to fry it up in a little frying pan. Once we've done that, set it aside for a minute. So now just using a serrated knife, I'll get the hamburger rolls and cut a big circle in the top. And then when you want to take it off, you don't want to, you only want to go like down this far, do you know what I mean? Well, we'll say a third of it. So just pull it up a bit and then cut. You can always pull out more if you want to. See, I'll cut that much off. Now you can use fresh or stale rolls for this. It works perfect for both. Okay, once we've got our holes cut, first up is tomato paste. Give it a nice coating. Don't be scared to get it a little bit on the edges. A little sprinkle of barbecue sauce. Whatever cheese you can get your hands on. Just use a bit of pizza first. A little bit of tasty cheese on top of that. Now we pile our bacon and onion on. Squash it down a bit. Alright, once you've crammed all that in there, I've used the whole lot. We've got them nice and flat. A little bit more of your cheese on top. Another little squirt of the barbecue sauce. Oh, mate. Alrighty, so we wrap them singly in alfoil. Stick it in the middle. Hold them up. Go up. So we're not touching the cheese. Push that one up, up. Squeeze a little bit. And they look like that. So they're ready to go. Stick them on an oven tray. As soon as our oven is hot enough, bang them in for 20 minutes. Oh, 20 minutes later. Okay, now if you open them up, now you've got a choice now. You can eat them like that while they're soft, or you can do what I love doing, and that's just wrapping it around it. Back in for 5 minutes. Oh mate, 5 minutes later. God, they smell killer. Alright, look at these bad boys. Oh mate, these are so good. So what I'd normally do, is I normally cut, see how it's not, just that beautiful crunch on the outside, is I'll go around and cut in 4 spots, just the edge bit. Like so, then when they're on their plates, they just pull apart. My God, mate. Thank you guys for watching. Give them a crack. They are freaking awesome. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.